Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I have a really quick and simple craft to do with kids, or again if you are in a classroom setting, this would be perfect. This time it's like harvest, Thanksgiving thing, and I just did this with my boys and we got this done super quick. And that is these little cute like corn stalks, and I got their names on the back. These are very cute. Like I said, easy, simple to make. Took no time at all. Okay, like no time at all. And you can hang them up. Adorable. Okay, so of course, let's get into supplies. What is we gonna need? Okay, so of course you're gonna need yellow foam sheets or paper, whichever one, and green sheets of paper or foam. And you can get the one that has the sticky back. That is the one that we used. Okay, and the one that we used was one with the sticky side. They do not fall off. As you see, they are holding up like really good. At first I thought I was going to need to, glue them. So, of course, you just cut out a beanstalk, a corn stalk, a beanstalk. What the freak? Okay. And then, of course, you're just going to peel it, peel it off to where you have the sticky side. Now, this is where it can get a little messy. All you do is just let it fall on there into place. But, of course, my boys, because they are young, they were having a competition to see who can fill their corn up the fastest. So, these little corns just went everywhere, like really fast. Oh, that's faster, too. Oh, well, that was super quick. That didn't take no time. Shoot. Okay. And then you just want to cut some petals out. Of course, you can use the ones that has the sticky back. I actually just used the regular one, but I'm gonna try the sticky back and see how that does. All right, let's see if these things stick on. Okay, it's stuck on. Let me do the other one. All right, it's stuck on. And of course, we had like the excess. Only thing I did was took some scissors and just cut off, what I didn't want showing. So that is not a problem to get rid of that or to hide it. Just snip it off like that. And then at that point, at this point, you can either use ribbon. I use ribbon for my boys, or you can use the pipe cleaner. I'm just going to go ahead and use some pipe cleaner just because it was easier to just poke a hole and go through compared to the ribbon. Like, it was just so much easier. And then you can go ahead and cut it down to pretty much where you want it, and then you are done. That is it. Now, do you see how quick that was? And this is like real time. That took no time at all. You can put their initials on the little leaves. It's fast. Like, this was a fast craft. The boys, like I said, they enjoyed it. They had a competition with it. So, yes, please try these. Do these. I think these are cute. I'm going to hang these up. If you have any questions on this, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Everybody want to say bye to you, little doo-doo head. All right, bye, you guys.